Out here, Warn Industries stands for one thing: excellence. On the trail, on the slick rock, in the woods. But where does it all start? Right here, in the heart of Oregon. The Warn plant in Clackamas houses hundreds of off-road enthusiasts, also known as engineers, technicians, welders, and assemblers. The kind of people who pour heart and soul into their work. Dozens of dedicated Warn engineers always lead and never follow. They listen to our customers, blending their good ideas with innovative thinking to help shape modern off-roading. Warn continues to show the world what's possible, from self-rescue winches to new ways for firefighters to save lives. Here, men and women behind Warn products sweat the details of everything we make. They cut steel with lasers and torches. They weld, they bend, they shape, and put together the finest winches, hubs, and bumpers the world has ever seen. We also pass some of the toughest tests on the planet, our own. In Warn Quality Control Labs, a small army of dedicated quality control engineers and techs push products to the breaking point. We abuse them far more than our customers ever will. Relentless engineering, superior design, and a well-trained workforce make the wide array of Warn off-road and industrial products stand out. So whether it's bound for the neighborhood auto parts store or a muddy trail in Malaysia, once a product leaves Warn Industries, it's ready to go prepared.